So I just bought the newest GoPro Hero 9, and with its improved specs of 20 megapixel photos, 5K at 30 frames, 4K at 60, a front LCD screen to see yourself, and so many other upgrades, I am very excited to see how this camera lives up to the hype of being bigger and better than all of its predecessors. In this video, I'm going to do a real-world review of the GoPro Hero 9 to see how good this camera really is for vlogging and shooting photos. I'm currently in San Diego, California, and what better way to start the day and this video than a surf session. There's a lot going on. There's waves, there's construction noises. So I'm really curious to see how the mic performs in these types of situations. But right now, Michael and I are in San Diego. We just pulled up to one of our favorite surf spots and we're just checking the waves. So the waves look pretty decent. There's some swell in the water. Heading back to the car to suit up and get our boards. And it's a beautiful morning in sunny San Diego. Alright, so first test of the day is to see how well the GoPro works when doing surfing shots, because that's how I plan on using the GoPro probably the most often. So this is the floaty case for the GoPro Hero 9. I'm going to put this case on the camera now and I'll see you guys out in the water. Just surfed. It was super fun. My battery actually ended up dying midway through our session because I went into the ocean at around 60% battery thinking it would be enough, but it was not.
You're getting too many waves is what it was.
Yeah, I was just getting way too many waves. Now the GoPro is back in the media mod and we're gonna go find some breakfast. So my thoughts so far vlogging with the GoPro Hero 9. I love the front-facing LCD screen to just frame myself in the shot. I don't know what the footage will look like yet because obviously I haven't seen it yet. I just got back from surfing. So we're just cruising around Del Mar, going to Solana Beach. It's supposed to be 91 degrees today here in San Diego. So we're trying to spend as much time as we can at the beach, in the water. We just pulled up to Einstein Brothers Bagels. I'm a big bagel person. Just parked at Solana Beach. Time to go eat our bagels. And maybe scope the surf again. I'd be down for another surf session. But first, it's breakfast time. Pretty good spot we found here.
Oh, look at that little right.
Good view of the waves. Oh. Oh yeah, Nova Locks. All right, I'm gonna eat this thing. Bye. Kind of intense. We're at another beach and I've got my beach bag. We've got a snorkel mask and fins and we're going to go for a swim.
Well, what happened last time you surfed this spot, Erin?
I had a great time.
And then what?
And it was a beautiful sunset.
And then what happened to the board you were riding?
And then I broke Michael's fin.
Look at
Sorry.
right there, Simmons going to Rick.
Beautiful, beautiful day. I'm just out here walking around in my swimsuit, living the dream. next feature that I want to test out is 2.7K at 120 frames per second with horizon leveling. To do this, I figured we'll skate around the bay, see how well this GoPro actually keeps the horizon straight. Let's do this.
Jesus Christ.
All right, so we are back at our place after hanging out at the beach all day, but it is so hot. I feel like I'm melting. I'm not even wearing real clothes right now because I can't function. We're going to Rovad again to do a sunset evening surf session because it is just too freaking hot and the waves look fun. So I guess my last test for this vlog will be how it performs in sunset light situations. See you guys over there. I am covered in seaweed right now. Alright guys, so I just looked at the footage and I wanted to give you my final thoughts on the GoPro Hero 9. Do I think the GoPro Hero 9 is the best GoPro that GoPro has GoPro'd? Cut, okay. Do I think that the GoPro Hero 9 is the best GoPro that is out there?
Do I think that the Hero 9... Do I think that the GoPro Hero 9 is the best action?
Do I think that the GoPro Hero 9 is the best GoPro that they've come out with? 100% yes. Have I dialed in the settings to get the most out of my GoPro? No, not yet. I still have to play around with it. Based on the footage that I shot that I looked at on my computer, I don't think that the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod will completely replace my current vlogging camera, which I am vlogging on right now. I just prefer the look of background separation that you can achieve with a lower aperture lens. A huge bonus with the GoPro Hero 9 is that the lens is so much wider than this camera that I'm currently shooting on. I feel like this camera, especially when you put in any internal stabilization, it crops in so closely, and I much prefer the look of having a wide field of view because you can see more of the scenario versus just my face. So instead, I see the GoPro Hero 9 as an upgraded version of the Hero 8, and I plan on using it for its 20 megapixel photo resolution and for any kind of surfing action that I want to capture for my vlogs. So like I said, those are my current thoughts. This could totally change as I use the camera more and get more accustomed to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.